Hello, my name is Steve Cash and I am the Director of Customer Enablement at Vitec. I'm here to introduce the Table Views feature of our Genesis 2023 release. We start with a project already loaded in Genesis. In the Project Explorer structure, we can see the Independent Views construct. This is where we locate informational views that are not tied to specific entities in the Genesis model. When we expand this construct, we can see this is where the table views will be located. Initially, the table views construct will not contain anything, but we can create and store many different table views under this construct. Let's create our first table view. We can do this by navigating to the Home menu ribbon and selecting the New Table View icon. A dialog box will appear that asks us to give the table view a name and definition. We will name this table view Requirements Table. In the Table Definitions selection box, we can select either one of the previously saved definitions, or we can edit a new table definition. Since this is a requirements table, we will select the previously saved requirements definition and then click OK. The requirements table then shows up under the table view structure in the Project Explorer. We can open our newly created table view by selecting it under the Table Views construct. The data pane is then filled with contents based on the table definition that we chose. All of the results displayed here are a result of the meta-chain query defined in the requirements table definition. We can look to the table menu and the associated ribbon for actions that can be taken on the table view. In the alignment section, we see some typical adjustments that can be made to tables, like text alignment, wrap text, and column and row adjustments. In the table section, we see view list inclusion controls, a save as, and the table definition. If we expand the table definition, we see the same selection list that we saw when we created the table. We select the Edit Table Definitions so that we can see how the meta-chain query appears. The Table Definition dialog box allows us to define the name and description of the table definition, to select the class, folder, and packages to be used in establishing the top-level collection of entities in the meta-chain, to select filter and sort blocks to apply to the top-level collection, and to define what class to which new table entries are to be assigned. The table at the bottom is the definition of the information to be displayed in the table for each entity in the filtered and sorted top-level collection of entities. Here, the first four entries are entity attributes for the number, name, type, and description attributes of the collection of entities. The fifth entry is looking to follow the meta chain through the relationship of refines in order to display the relationship targets. If you need additional information on table views, you can visit our website or submit an email to info@viteccorp.com. Also, keep a lookout for our other Genesis 2023 product videos. Thank you for watching.